Hey there, this is Zoe Braithwaite from ACROlife in Australia, presenting Inside Outside Star Flow, an instructional video with visual cues from two perspectives. Enjoy. Base turns right foot in, fly takes hold of that leg, base takes hold of same side leg and swivels fly all the way into side plank. Flyer sits up on base's right foot, positioned in thut, takes hold of base's left leg and pivots right hip on that foot. Flyer rotates right hip onto base's right foot, takes hold of that leg and rolls over into high flying whale. Flyer's hands up towards base's feet, keep chest lifted as you roll around. Hop to bird. Flyers whip through, hold base's ankles and push feet down to come into a seat. Take hands, back into bird. And remember, celebrate your successes and have a laugh and learn from your failures. A reminder, we began this flow falling on our faces. Have fun with it. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, subscribe, click the bell on the notifications, and we'll see you next time.